Assalamu alaikum students. Today I will discuss translational motion. It is a type of motions. Motion that result in a change of location is said to be translational. This category may seem ridiculous at first, as motion implies a change in location, but an object can be moving and yet not anywhere. I get up in the morning and go to the work. Obvious change in location. But by evening, I am back at home, back in the very same bed where I started the day. Is this translational motion? Well, it depends. If the problem at hand is to determine how far I travel in a day, then there are two possible answers. Either I have gone to work and back 22 km each way for a total of 44 km, or I have gone now where 22 km each way for a total of 0 km. The first answer involves translational motion, while the second involves oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is also the type of motion. Student, now the second type of motion is oscillatory motion. Motion that is repetitive and fluctuates between two locations is said to be oscillatory. In the previous example of going from home to work, I am moving, but in the end I have not gone anywhere. This second type of motion is seen in pendulums, like those found in grandfather clocks or Big Ben vibrating strings. A guitar strings moves but goes nowhere, and drawers open close. All that motion and nothing to show for it. Oscillatory motion is interesting in that it often takes a fixed amount of time for an oscillation to occur. This kind of motion is said to be periodic, and the time for one complete oscillation or one cycle is called a period. Periodic motion is important in the study of sound, light, and other waves. Large chunks of physics are devoted to this kind repetitive motion. Doing the same thing over and over and going nowhere is pretty important. Which brings us to our next type of motion. In this lecture, I discussed two types of the motion. In the next lecture, inshallah, next two types of motion will be discussed. Thank you for listening and watching my channel. Kindly subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.